Low fuel pressure. Are weak lift pumps an issue on 6 liters? No, not as commonly as they are on Cummins. I've owned a bunch of Cummins trucks before I switched back to Ford truck. I started out as a 7.3 guy in high school, owned 4 or 5 7.3s, inherited a Cummins from my father-in-law, kind of went hard in the paint on the whole Cummins thing. Couldn't talk me out of it, couldn't tell me any different. I thought they were the greatest engines ever made. 4 blown up engines later, I went back to Powerstrokes. When I had Cummins, brand new truck, 35,000 miles on it, started noticing my fuel economy was getting really bad. Dealership couldn't diagnose it, couldn't figure out what was going wrong with it. They kept telling me the truck was fine, there's nothing wrong with it. I was like, I drive this thing every single day. I know there's something wrong with it. And so I ended up doing some research, got a hold of Brad Exton on Cummins Forum, and he basically showed me what I needed to do to diagnose the low pressure fuel system. Found that the pressure on the low pressure fuel system should be fluctuating between 12 to 15 psi, and I was getting like 6 at idle, and as soon as I'd apply throttle, it dropped to 0. I've never had that issue on a 6 liter. So I'm not saying their pumps are bulletproof. I have seen 6 liter low pressure pumps fail. I'm just saying it's not as common as it is on a Cummins. Duramaxes don't even have low pressure fuel pumps until the L5Ps. So from 2001 to 2016, Duramaxes didn't even have a low pressure pump. So they really had an Achilles heel there. The fix for all these issues is a fast fuel system. So if your 6 liter low pressure pump does go out, it's going to be a mileage and just an age and wear thing. When it fails, put a fast on it. You'll love it. We have fast fuel systems on our website. Pulling it up on the screen behind me now. So the biggest problem I see with fast fuel systems is people think bigger is better. And when it comes to low pressure fuel pumps, that is not true. That couldn't be any more not true. If you buy a 250 gallon per hour pump and put it on your bone stock 6 liter, all you're doing is superheating the fuel. And when you superheat the fuel, you're going to wear out fuel lines and things like that. You're going to aerate the fuel really bad. It's going to wear out injectors and regulators and everything else. Just put a 140 gallon per hour fast on your 6.0. That's perfectly adequate. You don't need any more than that unless you're making 800 plus horsepower. The 140 gallon per hour fast is perfect for you.